welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you 3 easy crafts to do with toilet paper rolls. I'm just like, I don't know what my obsession is with toilet paper rolls. I just don't throw them away anymore, so I reuse them for crafts. It all started when Autumn and Cameron were little. Sorry for the noise. It's the afternoon and my kids are home and so anyway, yeah, I just started making these with toilet paper rolls because it's so easy, inexpensive. Obviously you have to buy toilet paper for yourself, so just keep the rolls and you can make things with them. So I'm going to show you 3 easy toilet paper roll crafts that you can do by yourself or with your kids. So let's get into the video. Okay guys, so for the first craft that we're doing, we are making something that I saw on Pinterest and I thought it would be really cute to do on my channel. Sorry about that. Like I said, it's the afternoon and kids are going to start coming home and everything. So we have some spray glitter that we're going to be using, 2 toilet paper rolls, and some lights. And these are lights I got from Dollar Tree. Sorry, I'm so out of breath right now, but I got these from Dollar Tree, and then you have like an on-off switch. So we're going to be making these into like candlesticks, and then these obviously are going to be like the light, the wick or whatever. And so you're going to need your hot glue gun for that to get the feel, the decoration that you're looking for. Okay, so I have seen these painted, but actually what I'm going to do is wrap mine in some white felt, just because I don't have any more white spray paint around here. So I'm going to use some white felt, and I'm just going to wrap this, and then I will show you what to do with a hot glue gun. Another thing you can do is if you have like the white toilet paper rolls, you can use that, but I think wrapping them will give them more of a genuine feel, so that's what I'm about to do right now. Because I wanted to see how it was going to turn out. So I got the hot glue on here. I tried just to do the spray glitter, but it was too clear, so I found my white spray paint. So be sure when you do this, even if you're using the spray glitter or the spray paint, to do it outside because it is really strong. So just make sure you do that. But I'm going to show you how I made the glue look like that. So you want to do thick strands of hot glue because you want to make it look like the candle is dripping. But basically you're going to use thicker strands instead of just doing a thin strand of hot glue. You're going to use thicker strands. Okay, so for me the next step would be to go spray this. So I'm going to take this outside and go and spray it with the white paint, and then we're going to put our little lights inside so we can make them look like candlesticks. I'm going to put the hot glue around the sides of this actually instead of inside of the toilet paper roll. So the next thing we're going to make is napkin holders. cut some pieces. So you actually do want these to be kind of like this in a I don't know if that would be oval, but you want it to kind of be formed like this. You want your pieces to be like that, because what you're going to do is form these into an ornament. Okay, so we are about to make an ornament. Now, I made this ornament before, but I'm doing something different to it. Instead of using paints and sprays like I did before, I'm actually using some glitter felt that I had from last year and some glitter ribbon that I found in my Christmas box. So this is one of the pieces that I decorated, and of course you can use paint or whatever you want to use, but I'm going to show you how I did this, and then I'm going to finish this up and then show you how I put the ornament together. What I have here is a scrap piece of felt left over from our first project. I'm just going to kind of stick it together right there, and I kind of leave the flaps open right here. And then what I'm going to do is just stick these like on here like so, so that it can go on the tree or wherever you're going to place it. And just kind of stick it down as a holder. Wait till it dries, and then there you go. There is your little ornament. My petal is kind of hanging off, but you know, that's the great thing about making your own projects, is that, you know, it has that handcrafted look, you know, the genuine look. And when you're making this with kids, you know, there is no wrong or right. It's just how they see it and how they want it. And yeah, my eyes were just a little off for this ornament, but I still think it turned out really, really cute. And had I done these properly, you know, you could give these away as gifts. Instead of doing it like this, you may want to cut yours kind of circular, you know, maybe put some kids' pictures behind there as ornaments for grandparents or, you know, other family members. Sorry again about the noise. So here, this was our first craft. Our second craft here was our napkin holders, which have our little gem on them. And I use this plaid decorative ribbon. And then our final piece is our ornament that we made. And all of these we used toilet paper rolls and just craft pieces that I had laying around the house. So I'm very pleased with our projects today. I hope you like them. If you did, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. I make videos right now 3 times a week. That may change in the coming year, but I make videos 3 times a week. Make sure you are following me on Instagram. That is where you will find updates of anything that I have going on with my channel or anything else as far as like my my website, my blog as well, anything else that I may be doing, updates with the family, things that we have going on, or you know, just anything that you would like to see. Just so make sure you're following me on Instagram. I have to go. It's a lot of noise upstairs. I can't keep them quiet anymore. So again, until next time, bye.